Hey guys, in today's video, we're going to do a quick overview of a couple of different base plates, right? I've often, especially here recently, keep getting questions about the differences with the different bases because some kits come with larger bases, some kits come with smaller bases, and then there are other bases that's just primarily not for pipe and drape at all. It's more or less for like the vinyl backdrops or something like that. So right now I'm just going to give you a quick overview to kind of help you understand a little further which base plate you should be getting for your pipe and drape kit, or if you may already have uprights and you kind of just want to upgrade. I'm going to give you a quick breakdown so you'll know exactly what to buy. So first we are going to start with the crisscross base. Now I actually like this base, however, I only use this base when I am hanging up my vinyl backdrops or maybe my advertisements or something like that. I do not use this base for any kind of pipe and drape because, for one, if you notice, it comes with a very small pin. This pin is used for the smaller uprights and they are normally fixed, and you would probably use them at trade shows, convention centers, like I said, for vinyl backdrops or anything like that. If you are one that, let's say, do kids parties often, then this would work for you. It would be totally perfect. And not to mention, it's an upgrade from the photography stand that everyone is using and then quickly get frustrated once they make the purchase. So if you know that, like I said, you're primarily doing kids parties or you're doing a lot of advertising backdrops or things like that, vinyl backdrops, this is perfect because this will utilize the smaller upright, which is a lot smaller in diameter, by ½ inch. You cannot put a heavy duty 2-inch upright onto this base plate. For one, it's entirely too short. It's only 3 inches and standard would be 6 inches. So for one, it's too short, and for two, it's too small in diameter. If you take a quick look at this, which is the 16 by 14, which is one step up, totally different in the pins, right? Meaning this is for heavy duty and this is for a basic heavy duty though, meaning it may go to 10 feet, something like that. This is not for heavy duty at all. This is for fixed units that is 1.5 in diameter. Also, you're not putting too much weight on it because it will not be able to support it. What I do like about this though, for my advertisements, is that once you break this unit down, the two pegs come apart. It's like super easy to transport, right? So if you guys that's doing maybe speaking engagements, or you probably doing pop-up shops and you're hanging up your banners and things like that, this is the perfect kit for you. Next we have the step up, and this is actually comes with the Posh Basic Kit. Now this is 16 by 14 and it does come with a 6-inch pin. Now this is considered heavy duty because you can apply a heavy drape or up to the desired, you can't go above 10 feet tall, right? Because then it's entirely too heavy for this base plate. But if you are like a beginner and you're just getting into premium draping, or you're just really trying to take your draping skills to the next level, this kit is perfect for you because, for one, it's adjustable. For two, it's heavy duty, it's commercial. And for three, it will eliminate all the frustration that you probably experienced before with the photography stands. Now these pins, the good thing about this is that, let's just say you upgrade later, right? You upgrade to a Posh Premium kit or some other more advanced kit. You can still utilize things such as the pins, you can still utilize the uprights because all of the pieces are pretty much interchangeable. The main thing you want to be mindful of is the weight. This base at 16 by 14 will not give you the support that the next one would, which is an 18 by 18. So again, this base comes with the Posh Basic Kit, and that is an adjustable kit that ranges from 6 feet tall to 10 feet tall. And this is the proper size that you can, you don't have to worry about it falling, you don't have to worry about it sagging, you don't have to worry about it looking unprofessional. So again, if you're just getting into draping, this is the perfect kit for you. In comparison, this is the next size up. right? So if you see, this is for the basic kit. This one here is for the premium kit. Now this one is a lot more heavy, it's a lot more durable. This size is 18 by 18, right? Although the pins are the same width, the same length, notice that the newer pins have a hollow, inside is hollow, right? Which for me is an added bonus, because if you have the standard pins, which is like completely steel, they're super duper heavy. And I don't know how you're transporting your things, but when I was just starting out and I was transporting probably in a tote bag or something, it was really heavy. So I am so glad that they kind of came up with this hollow pin, because it's a lot lighter, but it still provides the same durability, right? So again, this is 16 by 14 for the Posh Basic Kit. This is 18 by 18 for the Posh Premium Kit. Now the Posh Premium Kit, you guys know, is my favorite kit because it's still adjustable, and it goes from 6 feet to 14 feet. And the beauty of that is that you are able to achieve premium draping. Any kind of draping that's normally above 12 feet is considered premium, meaning you could charge more, is more added value. It gives people a different effect. It gives them a different emotion because it looks more grandiose. So normally when you see my backdrops, they're always going to be pretty tall, right? Because that makes, you could take the same exact backdrop, you could drape it at 10 feet, you could drape it at 14 feet, it's going to give you a totally different effect, right? So if you are in the market to, let's just say, advancing your skills or maybe upgrading your equipment, the Posh Premium Kit is primarily what you want to shoot for. The good thing about both of these kits I just mentioned, guess what? It comes with 2 crossbars already installed, already in the packaging, so you do not have to add an additional crossbar for double layering draping, right? So again, this goes to the Posh Premium Kit. This is adjustable from 6 to 14 feet. And if you want to see the actual kit, like unboxed, that video is below, and along with the Posh Basic Kit as well. And several other draping videos if you need free tips, tricks, and resources to help you enhance your skills. So that is that kit, right? Now let's just say a lot of you, especially here recently due to COVID, a lot of you have been draping outdoors, or you've been draping in garages, or you've just been draping some things that is out of the ordinary and it's like real common now. If that is the case, and maybe you don't want to upgrade your entire system, you just need a little more weight, then you would really invest in maybe some weighted bases. Now these come in different pounds, and I think it starts at 20 pounds, and then there is 30 pounds available along with 60 pounds. When you're draping outdoors, especially if you are in windy cities, right, you definitely want to go with the max that you can get, just because it's, you know, it's going to provide you with more stability, right? And you don't want to, there's no sense in investing in a 20 pound, then you find out, oh, there's not enough weight. Then what you gotta do, you gotta go get more. So you will always maximize whatever you're investing in, maximize its uses by just getting the best deal, right? So I normally would use these for, if I'm doing like triple panels or triple layers, and I know I'm kind of not too sure, or even though I use heavy duty bases, I still sometimes always, or sometimes, not sometimes always, but I still sometimes utilize weighted bases just to give me an added, make me feel safe, right? Until, if you want to check out another video, the link is going to be up here. In another video, I actually shared an amazing tip on how now I eliminate my fear of thinking my backdrop is going to fall by simply doing this simple, easy peasy hack that I now create on my triple layers, my triple layer backdrops. So I really don't have to use this now because I don't think it's going to fall. And in fact, I know it's not going to fall because it's more secure. So if you are doing draping outside, or you're having a lot of panels, such as 40 panels, 50 panels, and you just want extra security, you should invest into some weighted bases, right? Now, the grandmother, or the Bentley of base plates rather, would be the super duper heavy duty 24 by 24. Now, not only are these super wide, right, and super long, they are very durable. Now, in comparison, it's a big difference. So if you could just see visually see what the difference is, imagine how much safety it would provide for your backdrops. I primarily would suggest these if you guys are, some of you guys have to drape things like gyms or things with cathedral ceilings, or maybe you're trying to really spruce up, you know, some of those venues that don't look too hot, but it has super, super high ceilings. If you have to go like 16 feet, 18 feet, then yes, you definitely would need bigger bases because it's going very, very tall, and you need the weight to be evenly dispersed. Going that tall on a unit such as these, like the 18 by 18s, I wouldn't suggest it, right? I wouldn't suggest it. That's when you would get into this, or you would apply additional weight with the weighted bases. That pretty much sums up the different bases and different base plates that I have commonly used or sometimes use, right? And I hope that actually helps you understand which one is best for you, right? Another thing, another tip about the 24 by 24s, those of you guys that's draping outdoors, these are great for that as well. The only downside is that they're so wide, you have to really cover them up with amazing puddles. And if you don't know how to puddle in a polished way, check out another video I have on that as well. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, only thing you have to do to let me know is like it, right? And if it's super duper helpful, then share it, because you never know who else it can help, right? But just don't forget to hit the subscribe button, because you will be notified when I upload my next video, because I upload videos every Tuesday and every Thursday, and you don't want to miss out, because I got some amazing new content coming out. And if it's anything specific that you would like to see, put it down in the comments below so we can get it on the schedule. And if you're looking for an amazing community that you can connect with, like-minded individuals that's trying to take their draping skills to the next level, that link is in the description as well, where you can join the Posh Tribe over in Facebook in our private community. I hope to see you guys on the inside. If you're looking to take your skills to the next level and just really don't know where to start, maybe this wasn't as detailed enough for you and you really need some hand holding, trust me, I am your girl. I have several different memberships, different access levels that'll help you exactly where you are. If you're a newbie, it's definitely a lot of resources for that. And maybe you may be advanced, but you just want to possibly learn tent draping, or maybe you want to learn ceiling, or maybe you want to learn dome canopies and things like that. Trust me, it's something for you by just clicking the links below. Different access levels, different membership levels, something for everyone. Click the links below and get access immediately. I hope to see you guys on the inside.